go there again.
Weather bulletin. For the following county, Butler, Pennsylvania.
Well, hello, Butler.
The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Mercer County in northern
Mercer too.
Pennsylvania, southwestern Venango County,
Venango.
northwestern Pennsylvania, northwestern Butler County in west central Pennsylvania until 4:45 p.m. It's 4:03 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located over Grove City, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles per hour. Source, radar. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Grove City, Slippery Rock, Harrisville, Clintonville, Eau Claire, Largeville, Boyers. This includes the following highways. Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 114 and 117. Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 19 and 35. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding.